Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're doing a video that shows you how to do a regular cleaning on your DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the front and pull out the drawer, and you'll want to I would just recommend rinsing out the drip tray and the pucks container. And you can see this one's dirty, and you can just soak it in water and scrub it with a brush to get it nice and clean. But the most important part is this brew assembly. And if the brew assembly, right now it's in the home position. If it's up or something like that, what you need to do is turn the machine on, and then with it plugged in, press the power button to turn it off, and then it should cycle and go to its home position, and then you'll be able to take it out. Otherwise, if it's not in the home position, you won't be able to remove it. So you just remove it like that. You can see how this one's a little bit dirty, and you just rinse it under warm water. So just take it in the sink and just rinse it. Just that simple. Don't use any detergents, no soap, no anything like that. That will prevent the machine from, that'll actually cause the diffuser, this is called the diffuser, it'll actually cause it to go bad and not function properly if you use soap or something like that, because it'll take the lubrication out. Also, I'm trying to do this one-handed, but you should if there's like residue on it like this, you can just take a cloth and just wipe it off, and then that's good. And actually, while this is removed, you can also just take a cloth and wipe in here. If there's a lot of debris in here, then a lot of coffee, what you can do is take a vacuum like this, just suck up all the coffee debris like that, and then put the diffuser back in till it cooks, put the tray back in after you cleaned it, and shut the drawer. And then you can also clean the steam wand by turning this and pulling down and pulling that down. And you can just soak these. You could soak these in like coffee cleaner, or soap and water. That'll be fine. Just be careful with this gasket here. Don't scrub too hard on it because it'll tear. And check to see if this is clogged. You can hold it up to the light and see if you can see through it. You can poke a little. I don't recommend putting toothpicks in here because they'll often break off and get stuck. Instead, you can use like a button or something like that, like the pin for a button, and just shove it in there, and then you just put it back together, and you're good to go. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.